Good day, everyone. Today, I will demonstrate how to change or customize units in SolidWorks. Today, I will use the online version of SolidWorks for this task. If you want to learn how to use SolidWorks online with a free trial, click on the link here. Let's open a part file. Let me maximize the screen to a full screen version. Okay, here we go. There are a few methods to do this. Go to Options, Document Properties, and Units. In here, you can select the unit system that you want. You can customize the number of decimal points. Also, you can select to round the decimals. The next option is to click here on the bottom right corner of the interface, and you can select the unit system you want. You can go to edit the unit system as well. Thank you everyone for watching.